Last year, I completely ignored my lawn. No fertilizer, no plan, nothing. So this spring, I decided to try EarthWorks for home products. And honestly, the lawn rebounded faster than I ever expected. But now I'm at the point where I don't just want to guess anymore. I want to know what my soil actually needs. So I ordered two EarthWorks for home soil test kits, one for the front yard and one for the back. And the thing is, you can literally order these right on Amazon, have them show up at your house, do the entire process yourself. This isn't one of those super basic DIY tests that just gives you a rough pH reading and leaves you scratching your head. This is a real lab soil test with professional level analysis. The EarthWorks for Home test checks things like pH, organic matter, base saturation, total exchange capacity, sulfur, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, potassium, micronutrients like iron, zinc, copper, and boron. So instead of just blindly throwing products at your lawn, you actually get to understand what's happening underground. A lot of basic home soil tests are really just quick indicators. They might tell you high, medium, or low, but they don't really explain the full picture. What I like about the EarthWorks for Home soil test kit is that the process is simple. The registration is online and the results get emailed directly to you. And the recommendations are actually easy to understand. You get charts, explanations, and recommendations that make sense for homeowners, not just agronomists. So now it's time to actually pull the samples. You want to grab the soil from multiple spots across the lawn so you get a good overall picture instead of testing just one tiny area. I'm doing separate tests for the front and back because they behave differently. Different sunlight, different moisture, different traffic. After collecting the samples, you let the soil dry out for a bit before packing it up. Nothing complicated, just let nature do the work. Once the soil dries, you fill the sample bags, register the kits online, and package them up for shipping to the lab. Honestly, this part was way easier than I expected. The online registration is nice because everything stays organized and your results are tied directly to your lawn. And now we send them off and see what's really going on beneath the surface. I've already seen a huge improvement just from feeding the soil this spring, but now I want real data so I can make smarter decisions moving forward. Once the results come back, I'll do another video walking through exactly what they found and what I'm going to change in my lawn program. Because if you really want a better lawn, it starts in the soil.